Spaghetti monster.
Okay. What's that?
Some colors I remember, some not. So I have to untight this. Maybe not today. In theory, I wrote down all wires with description, but it is theory. Because few times I add some wires and not wrote down because of lack of time, lack of pen or something different. So right now I have to figure out which wire are which and make some description. Some of these wires not go here, it means to the like a central board, but somewhere else, and right now I have to figure out which going where. This is like, first attempt to fit this, especially with wire length. Later on, when everything will be plus minus 100%, 90% fitted, probably I will take out wire by wire, chop it to the proper length, means like not too long, not too short, of course, and figure out to look nicer. Right now we try to, I don't know what I wanna do right now. Okay, I have to start with something. This is from what I check on the description. This is toilet. And like usually, cold color blue is a negative, warm color yellow should be live. I connect suspected wire the second ends, and we check. This is what I think, or different. Okay, so means this is kitchen. Okie dokie, after 2 hours of fight and swearing and whatever you can imagine in such a tight space, I finish with spaghetti monster. It's still spaghetti but no monster. I use of course multimeter to check if it's going in, with some wire for making loops easier, and some power supply to check things which are connected directly right now, like a bathroom fan. And of course I use the printer to make some such a small tags, because for some wires I'm pretty sure so this is this wire and I don't have to make a tag like because it's only two such a thick wires in this loom, and I know it's going to the, where's the black one, where's the black one, should be, oh no, it's a red one, it's going to boiler, to Truma boiler, yeah, and this is all loom going to Truma boiler. This is for, so I know some wires I'm 100% sure and I remember because only one such a thick wire, so no point to make tags, but for some it's a few purples, few whites, and they start somewhere here and going somewhere in a different place, so this I should to know, it's hard to remember where it goes, so for this I make a tags, and probably for a few of them I have to make a tags later on. Okay, this should be tagged as a, yeah, USB charger, yes, it's a tag just far away, closer to this. So right now I'm in a moment when I can start organize this control panel, or maybe better call it switch panel. I'm not pretty sure because how to manage it. I don't want to make 100 holes and later on move it, but anyway, you have to start in some point and follow.